Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set or change deployment name in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So log into terminal as a root user. So what is a deployment name means in during the software development there are many phases like development, testing, production, etc. So for each phases you need separate environment. Okay, so at that time you can classify your server or workstation by using this command. So this is the command hostnamectl set deployment space. I am giving some deployment name here. I am giving as a development. So I am declaring this box as a development box. So I can also delete this deployment name, just giving the empty codes. So there are some predefined values for this deployment names. So please refer the hostnamectl documentation, that is hostnamectl man pages. So I am putting back some deployment name. So I am giving this server or workstation name as a staging box. So this will be a staging environment. So this is the way you can set or change the deployment name in CentOS Stream 9.